Ghana Money King Kong, the channel where we talk about everything money in terms of how you can get the best deals in the Ghanaian market. Banking interest rates when you go and borrow. What rate did they give you the last time you went? I mean, what rate did you get when you went for your last loan, your mortgage, when you wanted to buy the car? Or if even you work in the bank and they want to give you a loan for a car or for a house. That might be different, but for the ordinary Ghanaian, what rates are they getting? It is ridiculously expensive. The market woman will tell you, the person who goes to Dubai, Togo, Nigeria will tell you that, in China, they will tell you that the money that they borrow, it's so expensive. And so how do you expect them when they go and take up these loans to then go and bring these goods and services into the country? And they are selling it off. What prices are they going to give to consumers? So it is a ripple effect. There is a correlation between the expensive goods and services that we are getting in the country and the loans that these businesses are receiving. Yes. And so we complain about the cost of living. We complain about things being so expensive in the country. And we are not asking and talking to these banks who are giving these guys money. They lend money to these businesses at a so higher rate, and then they will just keep adding this on. And at the end of the day, we the consumers are the ones who are going to suffer. And it is our money. Yes, no bank or no financial institutions have money. It is the money from the consumers that are being used to then lend other companies and other people. So why are we the ones who are still then going to struggle? Please, Bank of Ghana, we are pleading that Bank of Ghana is doing its best. They keep reducing their rates, which they've done it recently by reducing their policy rate to 18%, but it is not being passed on to consumers. And it is that we are asking that Bank of Ghana should, I don't know if it's like forcing them or talking to them, sit with them, but of course, it's a stakeholder engagement. They should engage these banks and see the benefits of a reduced interest rate that would have on consumers. Because if we have money, if we're able to get good deals, then some of us can think about investing into property business or starting some form of construction businesses, starting some form of affordable housing. Some people will then talk about how they can start some farming or some industries, some manufacturing that we all think would improve Ghana to help in the unemployment situation. Getting good deals has got a significant impact in the total Ghana development. And so we are pleading that fight for consumers. Ghana Money King Kong, we are doing our own bit by talking about it for consumers to see their right in this whole interest rate sector, so that they would then talk to their banks. If you're watching me, if you're listening, if you're a bank manager, if you own a bank, I am telling you that consumers want and they are demanding good interest rates. In your very small way, please talk, spread the word, let people start asking questions. And if, to be honest with you, for the least of it at all, try and look at the market. Look at where interest rates are cheap. Don't just put your money anywhere. No, don't do that. We've done this video before and we'll keep talking about it, that look for a bank that will give you cheap borrowing rate. If you want a loan, what bank will give you the cheap rate? And that is the bank you need to then go. Because if you don't do that, you are always going to be taken for granted. Thank you for watching. Keep listening to the channel. And I think with us talking about this, eventually somebody will listen and then they will sit up and act. Because without us, they are nobody. Keep listening. Join us. Follow us on the social media and get the conversation going.